right, this is Ed, who just received the PRP injection on his left knee, and I'm just going to ask him a couple of questions. Ed, how'd you find out about our office?
Well, I've known the family, Billy Pizzello's family, for years, 30, 40 years now.
Amazing. Amazing. And
Very good friends.
when you first came into the office, what were the major reasons that caused you to travel 3 hours to visit our office?
Well, I was due for the suggestion was for a knee replacement, and instead Billy recommended, Dr. Pizzello recommended stem cell injections, and so I decided to go that route.
Excellent. And since your 2 PRP injections and stem cell injection, how are you feeling?
Well, I got him in my right knee, and the right knee where it was injected doesn't hurt anymore at all.
Good.
And now I just got an injection in the left knee. I've been back playing racquetball and sports, moving furniture.
Excellent. Very nice.
Well.
We hope you continued success, and thank you, Ed.
Well, thank you very much.
Awesome. Thank you.